Adopting anger management skills that work. This work is written and published by Zaviad.com team. There are many positive techniques and skills related to anger management. Since anger management seems to affect so many people in society, it is imperative to design and create techniques, teach skills, provide counseling and provide appropriate care and support. Since anger issues affect individuals from childhood to adulthood, obviously it is necessary to teach anger management skills that work for every age group. For the person who is dealing daily with anger problems, it is important to learn skills that will be effective in coping. One skill that tends to help people deal with negative emotions is acupressure. This technique used as an anger management skill is achieved by tapping or rubbing the body. Using this skill, briskly massaging the body when feeling tense and upset, causes an individual's energy to move around their body, which results in relaxation. An anger management skill or techniques known as the emotional freedom technique of EFT can be combined with acupressure to fight against negative emotions. EFT works to balance the brain hemispheres to help an individual admit to their problem and find forgiveness. This anger management skill would be very beneficial in helping a person release feelings of anger and relax. Adopting positive anger management skills might involve keeping a journal. When an individual writes about the situations which upset them, it helps to get the negative thoughts and emotions out of their head. By journaling about feelings and emotions, a person is able to rid their minds of unhealthy thinking and put them on paper. This anger management activity would provide specific details and perhaps triggers which usually set the individual off. Being able to read and review reactions to situations, a person might be capable of making changes in their behavior. When considering anger management skills, there's one which is quite easy to adopt. Removing themselves from a threatening situation might eliminate the problem. If a person realizes they have difficulties controlling their temper, they might consider staying away from situations which may cause heated arguments. If a person has a regular pattern of lashing out during specific conversations, they ought to avoid those incidents. Some people who have anger issues seem to go looking for a reason to get upset. If aiming to adopt anger management skills, these people should attempt to change this way of thinking. Instead of going to the problem, they ought to run from the problem. Adopting anger management skills that work is definitely an essential step when striving to cope with feelings of rage and anger. There are many suggestions and recommendations offered on internet sites related to anger management skills. It would certainly help to visit these sites and read the information and advice. It is unreasonable to think that a person will use all of the anger management skills suggested. However, finding one that works may mean trying each of them at least once. When an individual is attempting to gain control and eliminate the negative feelings normally dictating their life, exploring anger management skills is necessary to find a technique or skill which works for them. For quality words of knowledge and wisdom, kindly visit Zaviad.com. Zaviad is a center for knowledge and wisdom. Thank you.